Have you ever wondered how to make a guy fall in love with you? Well, look no further, because today, we're diving headfirst into the captivating world of romance. In this video, we'll also share some top secret tips and tricks on how to read his mind and understand his deepest desires. So, whether you're starting a new relationship or reigniting the spark in an existing one, this video is a must-watch. Number 1. Be a good listener. Communication is the cornerstone of any successful relationship. It's the key to understanding each other's needs, resolving conflicts, and building a strong emotional connection. To make him fall in love with you, it's crucial to master the art of effective communication. Start by being an active listener. Show genuine interest in what he has to say and give him your undivided attention. Validate his feelings and opinions, even if you don't always agree. Being present and attentive will make him feel valued and heard, strengthening the emotional bond between you. Additionally, express yourself honestly and openly. Share your thoughts, dreams, and fears with him. Vulnerability is a powerful tool in deepening emotional intimacy. When you open up and allow yourself to be vulnerable, he'll see the real you and feel a deeper connection. Trust and honesty are vital in making him fall in love with you. Number 2. Creating a strong emotional connection. Emotional connection is the foundation of a loving relationship. It's what makes two people feel deeply bonded and in sync with each other. To create a strong emotional connection with him, focus on building intimacy and trust. One way to foster intimacy is through shared experiences. Engage in activities that allow you to connect on a deeper level. This can be anything from traveling together to trying new hobbies or even engaging in deep conversations about your hopes and dreams. By creating these shared moments, you'll strengthen the emotional connection between you. Trust is another essential component of a strong emotional connection. Be reliable, keep your promises, and be there for him when he needs support. Trust is built over time through consistent actions, so it's important to demonstrate trustworthiness in your words and deeds. When he feels he can trust you completely, he'll be more likely to fall in love with you. Number 3. Nurturing trust and honesty. Trust and honesty are the cornerstones of any successful and loving relationship. Without these qualities, it's challenging to build a strong emotional connection and make him fall in love with you. To nurture trust and honesty, prioritize open and transparent communication. Be honest with him about your feelings, needs, and expectations. It's important to create a safe space where both of you can express yourselves without fear of judgment or rejection. Encourage him to be open and honest as well, and listen to his thoughts and concerns without becoming defensive. By fostering a culture of honesty, you'll create an environment where trust can flourish. Trust is also built through consistent actions. Show him that he can rely on you by being dependable and following through on your commitments. Be a person of integrity and demonstrate your trustworthiness in all aspects of your relationship. When he feels he can trust you completely, he'll be more likely to fall deeply in love with you. Number 4. Flirting and showing interest. Once you have a solid foundation of friendship, it's time to start dropping hints and showing your romantic interest. Flirting is a subtle yet effective way to let him know that you see him in a romantic light. Use body language cues such as playful touches, maintaining eye contact, and leaning in closer during conversations. These gestures will send a clear message that you're interested in more than just friendship. In addition to body language, verbal cues are equally important. Compliment him genuinely and specifically on his qualities and accomplishments. Let him know that you appreciate his presence and enjoy spending time with him. However, be cautious not to overdo it or come across as insincere. Strike a balance between showing interest and maintaining a sense of mystery that keeps him intrigued. Number 5. Keeping the spark alive in a long-term relationship. In a long-term relationship, it's natural for the initial spark to fade over time. However, this doesn't mean the love has to fade as well. With effort and creativity, you can keep the spark alive and make him fall in love with you all over again. One way to reignite the spark is by introducing novelty into your relationship. Surprise him with unexpected gestures or plan exciting date nights. Engage in new activities together or explore new places. By breaking out of your routine, you'll bring back the excitement and passion that was present in the early stages of your relationship. Additionally, never underestimate the power of physical affection. Physical touch releases oxytocin, a hormone that enhances feelings of love and connection. Show him affection through hugs, kisses, and gentle touches. Physical intimacy is an important aspect of maintaining a deep emotional connection. Number 6. Building self-confidence and self-love. Confidence is an attractive quality that can captivate his heart and make him fall in love with you. When you exude self-confidence, you radiate positivity and become magnetic to others. Start by embracing your unique qualities and celebrating your strengths. Recognize your worth and believe in yourself. When you love and accept yourself, others will naturally be drawn to your confidence and self-assuredness. Self-love is closely linked to self-confidence. It's essential to prioritize self-care and nurture your emotional well-being. Take time for yourself, engage in activities that bring you joy, and practice self-compassion. When you love yourself, you become more receptive to love from others, including him. Remember, you deserve to be loved, and by cultivating self-love, you'll create an irresistible aura that will capture his heart. Number 7. Understanding his love language. Everyone has a unique way of expressing and receiving love. Understanding his love language can help you make him feel deeply loved and appreciated. The 5 love languages are words of affirmation, acts of service, receiving gifts, quality time, and physical touch. Pay attention to how he expresses love and what makes him feel loved. Does he appreciate verbal affirmations or value quality time together? Once you understand his love language, tailor your actions to align with it. By speaking his love language, you'll create a deep emotional connection and make him fall more in love with you. Number 8. Surprising and delighting him with small gestures. Small gestures can have a big impact on making him fall in love with you. Surprise him with thoughtful acts of kindness that show him you're thinking of him and care about his happiness. These gestures don't have to be grand or expensive. It can be as simple as leaving him a sweet note, cooking his favorite meal, or planning a surprise date night. The key is to personalize these gestures based on his preferences and interests. Pay attention to the little things that bring him joy and incorporate them into your surprises. By showing him that you understand and appreciate him, he'll feel loved and cherished, deepening his feelings for you. Number 9. Building a solid foundation of friendship. A strong friendship is the bedrock of any successful romantic relationship. When you build a solid foundation of friendship, you establish trust, understanding, and a deep emotional bond. To make him fall in love with you, focus on cultivating a genuine friendship. Spend time getting to know him on a deeper level. Engage in meaningful conversations, share your dreams and aspirations, and support each other's goals. Be there for him as a friend, offering a listening ear and helping hand when needed. By building a solid friendship, you'll create a strong emotional connection that forms the basis for a loving relationship. Number 10. Embracing vulnerability and intimacy. Vulnerability is a powerful tool in making him fall in love with you. When you allow yourself to be vulnerable, you show him your authentic self and create a space for deeper emotional connection. Share your fears, dreams, and insecurities with him, and encourage him to do the same. Intimacy goes hand in hand with vulnerability. Emotional intimacy is about feeling safe and secure enough to share your deepest thoughts and feelings with each other. To build intimacy, create a safe and non-judgmental space where both of you can express yourselves openly. By embracing vulnerability and fostering intimacy, you'll create a strong emotional bond that will make him fall deeply in love with you. Number 11. Taking care of yourself while in a relationship. While it's important to invest time and effort into your relationship, it's equally crucial to take care of yourself. Self-care ensures that you bring your best self to the relationship and maintain a healthy balance between your personal needs and the needs of the relationship. Set aside time for activities that bring you joy and help you recharge. Prioritize your physical and mental well-being by exercising regularly, eating nutritious food, and practicing self-reflection. Maintain your hobbies and interests, and spend time with your own friends and family. By taking care of yourself, you'll radiate positive energy and make him fall in love with the vibrant and fulfilled person you are. Number 12. Patience and giving him space. Patience is a virtue when it comes to making a guy fall in love with you. Love takes time to develop, and rushing the process may do more harm than good. Allow the relationship to unfold naturally, and don't force him into feelings he may not be ready for. Respect his boundaries and give him space when he needs it. Giving him space doesn't mean completely stepping back from the relationship. It means understanding that everyone needs time for themselves and allowing him the freedom to pursue his own interests and goals. Trust that if the connection is meant to be, it will grow stronger with time. Be patient and let love unfold at its own pace. Number 13. Expressing your feelings. Effective communication is key to making a guy fall in love with you. Be open and honest about your feelings, but also be mindful of his emotions and boundaries. Clearly express your intentions and desires, while also giving him the space to process his own emotions. Encourage him to share his thoughts and feelings, and actively listen without judgment. When expressing your feelings, choose the right time and place. It's important to have a calm and private environment where both of you can freely express yourselves. Avoid putting pressure on him or expecting an immediate response. Remember, love takes time to develop, and everyone has their own pace. Patience and understanding are essential during this stage. Number 14. Being confident and authentic. Confidence is attractive, and being true to yourself will make him fall in love with the real you. Embrace your unique qualities and strengths, and don't be afraid to show them. Be confident in your own skin and let your natural beauty shine. When you exude self-assurance, it will not only make you more attractive to him, but also inspire him to be more confident in himself. Authenticity is also crucial in building a genuine connection. Don't pretend to be someone you're not, or try to mold yourself into his ideal partner. Instead, be authentic and let him see the real you. When you're true to yourself, it becomes easier to build a relationship based on trust and mutual understanding.